If you need to update your phone number on DoorDash, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Account Settings to access your personal information. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Phone Number. Tap on it to proceed to the Phone Number Update section. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Delete your old phone number and enter the new phone number you wish to use. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and update your account information. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.